In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour about instaGC and is it a server-side or joining. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Is instaGC worth joining? I will show you that it is actually possible to make money on. Also tell you what opportunities it has and also tell you the limitation the page has and how to use it, and also show you how you can make money on instaGC. Let's jump inside the platform. You can see here we are now inside instaGC, and you can see here is the main screen, the options. Let's start with the proof that you can actually make money. But before that, you have the options here, and it depends a little on the country you live in. Let's start with the proof that you can actually make money, and that is the equivalent of around almost $18. Up here you see the current account. It is just to prove that you can actually make money. It actually has very good pay. Our methods that I will go to get to lesser, and I have paid out before, and also you can over time accumulate quite a bit of money. It has some pretty decent opportunities. Let me also reveal it has some pretty decent opportunities that you get paid to side with the biggest opportunities, and also it is a good server side. All these different options, as you can see here, there is servers that's offered. To see what servers do, they have available there. You can click on this one and you can see how much the reward is, and 70 points is the equivalent of 70 cents. So that's how easy it is to calculate it. There is different things that you can download, and you can see that you can take servers. There is more servers and these different offers walls, and there is a whole section here, and there are different things you can download. Go through them. If you don't want to look at all of them, you can download apps and get paid for that. You can watch videos and get paid for that. And of course, videos are not something that gives a lot of money, but if you want to watch some anyways, it can give you a little bit. You can download apps and get paid for that. You can earn money watching videos, and like I said, videos are not something that gives a lot of money, but the offers or the servers are the best way. And then there is also the figure tasks that are small line tasks. You can see there is a lot of small tasks. If it launches in a new window here, you can see there is a lot of small tasks in the beginning. You will also getting higher paying tasks available and start getting paid more depending on the country you live in. You will have a lot of options. You will have a lot of servers, so there is quite a lot to do here. Or maybe you will have more offers, or you will have more tasks. And there is also a CLA of things that kind where you can, for example, participate in the sports. I mean like competing, where you can pay, for example, 10 points. That's 10 cents to get sports results in passport. You can end up winning some extra money if you like sports, getting the results, and you want to spend a few points of 5 cents. Depends on how many people that enters. Or there is also what called decimal point. Like here it says when the next draw is, and how many points are there right now, and how many people that have entered. You can just put them money into that and have a chance to win. That's a way to, if you have an uneven number, you can put them money into, and it can of course grow a lot bigger than it is now. And then you also get a bonus depending on your activity. I have received, you can see up here, you get a bonus every week, and then you need to claim it in here. You actually get a bonus by being active, and you can also get commission for promote and invite friends when they an offer or do survey or a task. The payout methods, that is one thing that is really rare about instaGC. As I already mentioned, it depending on the country you live in, and that's because you have really good options. There is a big selection. You have not only gift cards, you can select, for example, the United States if you live in. So many you can see there is a lot of different gift cards you can use. If you live in Germany, for example, there is a little bit less, but still some good gift cards. And when you click other rewards, you can get paid through PayPal, and that's my favorite part, paid through PayPal. And you can get paid already over here. Say redeem $5 through PayPal, and the amazing thing about this, here you can pay out very quickly, and it all comes to your account very fast once you requested it. And that's one of the things I like the most about instaGC. When you have earned $1 $1, and other websites or service sites have a higher payout. instaGC is a service side. It is definitely leisure. I have been paid by myself several times. It is definitely a leisure side, and also if you don't want the money in cash, I've been paid by them several times myself, and we can make money. The service side with the highest rewards and with the biggest amount of opportunities, it is definitely a decent service side, and GPT side to like get based to site to join. If you want to see the highest paying service sites, if you want to make a bit of extra cash, remember to subscribe to my channel also to get more service side reviews. See you next time. Stay safe and goodbye.